be tournament time in Minnesota without a snowstorm. Today marks the first day of the boys state hockey tournament in downtown St. Paul. Our Adam Duxter is live at the X. Adam, people had to trek through some pretty serious stuff to make it out there today.
Yeah, Shayla, you know, Prince has a song famously, It Sometimes Snows in April. I think you and me should write a song called It Always, Always, Always Snows during the state hockey tournament, because that is the case once again this year. And well, Matamidai and St. Cloud Cathedral battle it out on the ice. Right now, it took a lot of icy commutes to get in for the game. But I'll tell you what, we talked to the hockey fans in town in St. Paul, and they do not seem to mind it one bit. Some of them said they thought ahead. The St. Cloud team says they stayed in St. Paul overnight because they knew what was coming. And again, some people might look at this snow and at this ice and say, oh, I've had enough of it. The hockey fans say this is what hockey weather is truly all about. They say they can't get enough of it when it comes tournament time.
Awesome. I love it. You know, the last couple of years at this tournament, we kind of got the easy road, but now this is Minnesota. We're Minnesotans. This is what it should be for the state tournament.
I got in the car and said my little Jesus, Mary, and Joseph prayer, and then away to go.
And Shayla, a major shout out to the Matamidai student who told us he's had his driver's license for 4 days and still got on the road today, made it here safely. But I think that might have had to do something with the prayers you just heard about. A definitely good reminder if you are on the road to take it slow, because there are lots of people trying to get where they need to go today. Coming up though, Shayla, on the news at 4 and 5 tonight, we'll bring you the dig out from here in St. Paul, as well as how hockey fans are really trudging their way into the arena. It's a rare day where it's nicer in there than it is out here.
They are committed, absolutely. Our Adam Duxter reporting.